Because I knew. Because I saw it on the computer.
Oh, did you?
Yes.
You're,
Yeah, I knew.
you're too clever.
Yeah.
What's his name?
Happy.
What's his name?
Happy.
Splatty.
Who's this one for? Who is this one for, Mummy? Mummy, who is this one for?
For you.
Oh yes, I knew this. It was moon sand.
That's right. Digger moon sand.
No, destruction moon sand.
Yeah.
Don't be babies. Don't be babies.
Ben, can you put a pair of pants on?